Welcome to my channel, dear students. See, here is the problem of summation k equal to 0 to infinity, and that is 1 over k plus 4 whole square. And now I want to find this value. I'm using here a triangular wave form for a function. Then after I am using here the Fourier series. Then we got this function. I am got these values of this expansion. So see, so actually this is the value in the form of if we put 0, this is your 4 square, this is if we put here 1, so this is your 5 square, and this is your 6 square, and this is here 7 square, okay, and dot dot to infinity. Okay, it can be also written like that. It is we want to get a series, so this is 1 square, this is 1 by 2 square, this is 1 by 3 square, this is 1 by 4 square, and this is 1 by 5 square, and say this is 5 square. Okay, and this is 5 square, and minus here start from 4, so these 3 term are added, so we subtracted. This is 1, this is plus 1 by 4, and this is 1 over 9. Now I want to get this value. Okay, so for that I am using a function. Let if the function be here f of x, and that is pi plus twice x, it is lies between if minus pi to x to 0, and this is equal to pi minus twice x, and this is this is less than 0 and less than equal to x less than equal to pi. So then first I want to deduce the value of then first I want to deduce the value of 1 by 1 square, 1 by 3 square, 1 by 5 square, dot dot to infinity from this function. Then after we can easily find this value of this expression within the first bracket. So first we draw the graph here. First we draw the graph. So the graph of the function. So this is here y is equal to pi plus twice x, and this is y by pi plus x over minus pi by 2, and that is equal to 1. If this is a line, you can easily express as the intercept form and take few minutes. Okay, and for this function y is equal to, this is pi minus twice x, and this is y over pi, and this is x over pi by 2, this is equal to 1. So the wavelength of this function is here. So this is actually okay, and this is actually pi. Okay, this is actually pi, and this is here minus pi, this is here minus pi by 2, this is here pi by 2. Okay, for this line here the positive intercept of y is here pi, so from that, okay, and it is negative intercept, that is minus pi by 2. So okay, then after for the second drawing, here we see this is the intercept, positive intercept, here is pi, so it is pi, and here is intercept pi by 2. So and this is okay, and this line Okay. Okay, this is the wavelength of this curve. It is triangular waveform. It is triangular waveform. Waveform. Okay. From the graph, from the graph, from the graph, see f of x is an even function. Okay. So now first we find the value of a naught, and this is here a naught. A naught is equal to, this is 1 by pi, and this is minus pi to pi. This is minus pi to pi f of x and dx. See, and this is actually defined minus pi to pi. So we have taken like that, minus pi to pi f of x and dx. See, this is an even function. Okay, even function. See, if we put here minus x, so this is your minus, they got this function. Okay, so if we put here minus x in this case, and then we got this function. Okay, same function, so that's why it's called even function. So now, and this is equal to, we can write 2 by pi, and that is 0 to pi, and this is here, since 0 to pi, the function, which function is given that 0 to pi is lies on 0 to pi is this pi minus twice x. So if I put here pi minus twice x and dx, if we integrate, then we got the value here 0. So a naught here is 0. Okay, for the Fourier series, we want to find the next value is an. Okay, and this is an. So an is equal to, so here an is equal to, this is here an is equal to, okay, 1 over pi, and this is minus pi to pi, and f of x into cos nx and dx. Okay, and this is equal to even function. So this is an even function. So you can write easily 2 by pi, and this is 0 to pi f of x cos nx and dx. So that is 2 over pi. This is 2 over pi. In between 0 to pi, the function f of x is what? This is pi minus twice x. So this is here pi minus twice x into, and 0 to pi here, and cos nx and dx. Okay, cos x, nx and dx. So now integrate. So this is 2 over pi, and this is 0 to pi, and this is here multiply by pi, so 2 pi here. So 2 pi cos nx dx, and this is minus 4 over pi, and 0 to pi x cos nx and dx. Okay, okay, so see, if we integrate, this is 2 times of that, so this is sine nx over n, and this is 0 to pi, So this is 4 over pi cos x dx, x cos nx dx. So x integration of x and cos nx, you use the integration pi parts. So you take first function as a x, the integration of cos nx, this is sin nx over n, and that is 0 to pi. Now here integral and 0 to pi, and first function derivative of first function here is 1. So integration of cos nx, that is as cos nx over n, and that is dx. Okay, and the pi multiple of n, so n is an integer, so 1 2 3 negative positive. Okay, all things are here are satisfied for integer, but see, but then never be 0 negative. Okay, so if we put here pi, so multiple pi times of n, okay, and that would be 0. If we put here 0, so this is whole thing is 0 here, and same as, and this is actually 0 here. Okay, so this is here, if we multiply minus, so this is 4 by pi, this is here 4 by pi. Okay, this is here 4 by pi. Okay, minus minus plus, our integration. Okay, I am wrongly written integration of cos x, and this is sin nx. Okay, over n. After the integration of this is here minus, that is cos nx over n square, and this is 0 to pi. Okay, so this is here minus 4 by pi n square, 4 by pi n square, 4 by pi n square, and the value of cos nx, if we put pi, so it would be here minus 1 whole to the power n. If we put here 0, then we got here 1. Okay, so this is the formation of here, and never be 0. Okay, so this is the value of an. Okay, now from here, if n is more than 0, n is more than 0, then Vn is equal to 1 over pi, that is here minus pi to pi, minus pi to pi f of x sin nx and dx. Okay, sin nx and dx. See, this is an even function, this is an odd function, so whole thing is odd function. So odd function, so value is 0. Okay, this is here 0. Now using here the Fourier series for f of x, therefore the Fourier series of f of x is a naught by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity, that is a suffix n cos n pi x over t plus bn, and this is sine pi nx over, sorry, this is your t. Okay, this is t. If f of x, if f of x is defined in c comma c plus 2t. Okay, they are the period of this function, therefore the period of this function is 2t. Now see, it is defined from minus pi to pi, so for that the period of this function is 2 pi. So 2t is equal to and 2 pi, so t is equal to pi. Okay, therefore the Fourier series of the given function, therefore the Fourier series of the of given function is equal to, actually this is a naught means 0 by 2. See, a naught here is 0, a naught here is 0, plus summation. So this is summation from n equal to 1 to infinity, and this is an. The value of an here is okay, and this is minus 4 over pi n square, minus 1 whole to the power n minus 1 into cos, into this is cos n pi x over pi. The value of t here is pi. So plus, actually bn here is 0. So bn is 0 here. So 0 into sine n pi x over pi. Okay. So this is equal to summation n equal to 1 to infinity. If we take common minus, so then you got here, okay, so this is minus, so 4 over n square pi, and this is here minus 1 over minus 1 to the power n minus 1. Okay, now this is here 4 over pi into cos pi here cancels, so nx, this is minus 4 over pi. If we put 1, so we got here minus 2, so this is minus 2 over 1 square cos x. So if we put 2, then it is 0. If we put 3, so 3, this is minus 2 again. So minus 2 by 3 square cos 3x, same as 2 by 5 square and cos 5x. So this is equal to, take on minus 2. So this is here 8 over pi. And within the bracket here cos x over 1 square, cos 3x over 3 square, cos 5x over 5 square. Okay. So this is the expansion of this function. F of x is this for this function. Here putting x is equal to 0, which is lie on this interval. So you can put here. So f of 0, then 8 over pi. So 8 over pi. If we put 0, then 1 square. If we put 0, this is 3 square. So this is 1 square, 1 over 3 square, 1 over 5 square, dot to infinity. Now see, for this function 0 satisfy this function. So therefore f of 0, this is pi minus 2 times of 0, and that is pi. So therefore you can write pi is equal to 8 over pi, and this is 1 over 1 square, this is 1 over 3 square, this is 1 over 5 square. So dot to infinity, and this is 1 square and 3 square, this is 5 square, dot to infinity, that is equal to pi square by 8. And this is the value of this which I want to deduce this value we got here. So then after we want to find the c's. So for that, let us assume this is, again we write here, and this is 4, and this is a 1 over 1 square, this is 1 over 2 square, this is 1 over 3 square, this is 1 over 4 square, like that, dot to infinity. And this is doing minus if we take 36, I think here is 36 plus 4 plus 9. So this is actually okay, and this is 49 by 36. Now I want to find this value, so let us assume as a s. So this is the equation number 1. So s equal to, this is our 1 square, this is our 1 over 2 square, this is 1 over 3 square, this is 1 over 4 square, this is 1 over 5 square, and like that. Okay. Now our queries of this value, as we get this value, so we separated this pattern. This is 1 over 1 square, this is 1 over 3 square, this is 1 over 5 square, this is 1 over 7 square, and dot to infinity. Okay. And this is here 1 over 2 square, this is 1 over 4 square, this is 1 over 6 square, and dot to infinity. Okay. See, this is as s, this is s, and this is equal to, we can write here, this is the value of this here, pi square by 8. Now take common here 2 square, and this is will be 4 here, and this is 4. So 1 over 1 square, this is 1 over 2 square, this is 1 over 3 square, this is 1 over and 4 square. Okay. And this is as a, so you can put here a. So this is actually s. So therefore s minus, this is s by 4, so s over 4, and this is equal to pi square by 8. So therefore the 3s by 4 is equal to pi square by 8. So therefore is equal to 2 to a cancel, we can write pi square by 6. Okay, pi square over 6. So I think the required answer of this question is find out. So therefore okay, is equal to the value of this is, s means actually this is, so therefore the queries is this, so 1 over 1 square, 1 over 2 square, 1 over 3 square, 1 over 4 square, dotted to infinity, and this is here minus 49 by 36, 49 by 36 equal to the value of this is here uh, pi square by 6 minus 49 by 36 is your answer. Okay, thank you for watching my video.